I got a new reputation. I keep it moving instead of standing still. I'm like a man on a mission, call it tunnel vision. Feet go where they will. I'm seeing stars in the mirror. I got a feeling the test won't quit.
I actually pinch myself every morning. We're just so fortunate to be involved in a number of really exciting projects. Europe has never put a satellite into space, and the wonderful thing about using a Virgin Atlantic 747 is that we can fly to any country and we can put satellites into space, and we can do it at a moment's notice. It's just great that that Great Britain is the first country in Europe to be putting satellites into space.
Right now, I'm gonna change my location.